We're back, and today we're back with a couple questions for another simple recipe. Do you like pizza? Do you like chips? How about pizza chips? Not just any pizza chips, but ones that are packed with great macros. Only take a couple minutes to prep. You really only need 3 ingredients to make them. These chips are low carb and keto friendly, so let's just jump right into them. All you need for this one is a bowl that you'll add everything into. Easy enough, right? Add into it 1 cup mozzarella cheese, half a cup cottage cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, some optional garlic seasoning. Add pepper, salt, chili powder, or any seasonings to change up the flavor. You can also use whatever type of ingredients fit your diet, like full, reduced, or fat-free cheeses. Next, take out a baking pan or dish and shape your chips. I like using cupcake pans to easily make different sizes, but this all depends with what you have on hand. Work with what you got. Top your future pizza chips with some mini pepperoni slices and throw them in the oven on 400 for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they look like this. Delicious, right? I like to dip mine in some pizza sauce or salsa if I'm really watching my macros. Let me know some other creative ways you guys will make these down below. With that said, here's another giveaway for, can you guess? It's in this room. Another shaker. All you gotta do to enter is in the comments, write LOL and then a word that rhymes with chips. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the full recipe and nutrition with option to scale now on the proteinchef.co below. Like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy.